today I'm going to be making one of my favorite baking dishes, and it's called a Swiss roll. Basically, you have a chocolate ganache that goes on top, and it's basically a cake, but when it's hot, you roll it, and you have a cream that goes inside, so when you cut it and slice it, you get to see the layers within it. Putting my cream on. I'm probably not going to video this part just because it cracked a little bit, because it was super moist, and if it's moist and hot, then it's going to crack a little bit when you're trying to roll it. When it gets out of the oven, remember to roll it before you do this. And I'm just going to put my cream on, and you'll see me after, and I'll try to explain the instructions when you're watching the video. So, adios. Okay, so always when you're drizzling the chocolate to go in the center. So I have my chocolate here, it's melted, it's a little bit of whipping cream and chocolate chips, and it's supposed to be the ganache that cools. So basically just go like that. And then you take your spoon and you travel it along, because it's supposed to cover up any issues that you have when it shows any problems of, what's the word, mistakes. That's what the word is.